You already know what time it is. It is apartment tour time, fellas. Time to see the cribbo. I never make videos like this, but I thought, you know what? Let's have some fun. I'll show you guys around. Trust me, you're gonna wanna stay tuned because wait till you see some of the cars in my parking garage. Basically, it's cars and coffee every single day, and I'm not even exaggerating. So fellas, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys have not been keeping up with the journey, we recently moved from Oregon all the way down to Arizona. I had the G80 packed up. It was, like I said in the other video, it was a German U-Haul. We made it safe, and I'm finally moved into my apartment. I've been here for about a week. Let's just say it's pretty bare. So fellas, without further ado, check out the cribbo. I guess we'll start off here in the kitchen. So this is the front as you walk in. Got a nice microwave here. My fridge smells like absolute pickles. I don't know what's going on in here. You can see I got like an Arm & Hammer. Oh my, even opening it right now, I'm getting hit with a waft of scent. I don't know what is going on in here, but I need to figure out the source. I even have two Arm & Hammers in here. I have one there and another there, fellas. It's like an army. I don't know what's going on with that fridge. It's like Chernobyl. But anyways, here is our countertop kitchen. Man, I feel like a real estate person right now. But we got a dishwasher, sink. You know, they got this nice, stylish kind of gold look. You know, I think it looks good, right? The white with the gold. We got our stove here. Haven't even used it yet. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. I have literally been eating at Chipotle every single day. I gotta be in like the top 0.01% in Arizona for Chipotle. That's like 8 days straight of Chipotle. Cannot beat the value, the price, the taste. Anyways, I digress. Okay, this stove is gonna see some action. Super excited for this. I mean, it's just a cool stove. I mean, look at this. I've never been so geeked about a stove before, but yeah, crazy. I can probably like call someone on it or something. You know, we had to bring the cowboy hat down. And something that's funny is I feel like in Arizona, you cannot drink the tap water. I don't know what it is, but I just feel like Arizona tap water is not ideal. It's probably something you don't want to stay away from, or you want to stay away from. So I've been drinking just the good old Costco alkaline water, but I'll probably end up getting some kind of water filter or something like that just because I don't want to be drinking out of plastic bottles. But you can't beat this. You get like a pack of, I think it's 18 for like 10 bucks. So super, super good value. That leads us into the next part here, which is, fellas, this is where all the magic happens. Well, bam, we got the bed. I mean, guys, I'm like super simple. I don't have anything going on crazy here. I picked up this mattress from Costco. Super nice, firm setup. I think it's like a, oh man, I don't even remember the brand. It's like Sealy something. I think it's Sealy something, but these are like hotel grade sheets, super soft. I'm a big fan of cotton sheets, guys. I can't stand polyester, anything like that plastic, synthetic stuff. I just feel like you sweat. It feels weird on the skin. The cotton is just nice and cool. I mean, being in Arizona, it's nice to have, you know, a little bit more breathable sheets. I highly recommend if you guys are not on the cotton wave with sheets, go to Costco, get yourself some hotel grade. Same thing with the pillows here. These are 100% cotton pillows. And then some nice, I think this is like 60-40 cotton thread count. So super, super soft. And I schlump on this bed, man. I go to town here. Sleep is super important. So I highly recommend you guys invest in your sleep. I don't even know I'm on a tangent with this right now, but yeah, I don't mind putting some extra money into a mattress, you know, a nice quality mattress and some sheets, just because you gotta stay healthy, man. You gotta stay on it, man. This is like the graveyard of random stuff. We got some shoes here. I have a gaming PC in here, like a gaming streaming PC. You guys see that? Got the Asus monitor. This thing's a beast. You guys know your monitors. What is that? PG27880 QDM, whatever this thing is. 240 hertz, 4K, something like that. IPS, I think it is. Hold on. Yeah, look at that. OLED, 240 hertz. Look at that, 0.03 response time. And then you can see, so basically 2K. It's really color accurate. So super nice. Very, very proud of that monitor. Haven't even set it up yet though. You can see we got the mic here. I actually used to stream back in the day, like Twitch TV, stuff like that. So I used to go down on Fortnite, Call of Duty. I mean, I still do. I mean, I still do. Rocket League, turn up in Rocket League, man. I don't even have a desk yet. I don't even have a chair. I gotta figure that out. And then you can see I got all my snowboarding stuff in here. This is like helmets, socks, you know, the Gore-Tex stuff. And then we got the good old Capita snowboard here. We got the Union Ultras. So shout out if you guys know your snowboard stuff. I brought the autocross helmet here. See that? And you guys hear that in there? I'm telling you, man, maintenance has got to come through here. I talked to the lady down there today because they messed up my rent stuff, and it's like, dude, who lived here before, man? So I've been going through all my clothes, getting them washed since the trip. I picked up this super cool Dyson. Oh, hold on, I gotta move out of here. That's just too much. Look at this, guys. It's got the laser. Look at that. Look at how sick that is. Can you guys actually see the dust? Look at that. See that thing right there? Boom. Gone. Oh, yeah. So this thing, fellas, we're balling with this guy right here, man. I took multiple trips to Costco. I finally caved in. I was like, you know what, man? I could use that for my car, you know, because it has all these attachments. We can get the G80 looking nice and fresh. I dropped the coin on it, and so far it's been great, man. Because once again, I think a good vacuum is an investment. It's gonna keep your house, your apartment clean. You're not gonna be breathing in a bunch of dust or dander, all that kind of good stuff. So overall, just quality of life increases when you got your stuff nice and fresh. Got my headlights in here. You know, we had to bring the cowboy boots, got the snowboard boots, springs. You know, we got the nice work shirts here. Yeah, man. Like I said, I don't have really much at all. Here's my thing of clothes. And then you can see, here's those Costco. Actually set this down to 70. Here's the Costco water right there, the alkaline. Fellas, this is the Cribbo one last time. It's just a studio. Nothing too crazy, right? I'm not trying to pay an arm and a leg in this area for myself. Location is what matters the most, as well as amenities. They have a badass fitness center here, as well as, check this out, just right out my window. Look at that. We got a nice pool. I haven't even used it yet. I haven't even been down there. I'm still like a week in. Actually, I think it's been like 6 days or a week. Still transitioning, still getting this place figured out. And then here is the bathroom, all right? I'm giving you guys the full tour. We got the electric toothbrush there. Shout out Simple Truth toothpaste. This stuff goes crazy. You guys know Azzaro? This Most Wanted, man, I'm telling you. I went to Ulta and I had the ladies there. We were spritzing so much cologne and I was having them blind smell test, coffee beans in between to clear it up. And all of them agreed, you know, anonymously, that Most Wanted by Azzaro was by far the best scent. So fellas, you guys gotta get on that wave. It smells so good. It's unique. I don't know what this is. We're on that Old Spice Wilderness. Shout out Philip Norelco. That goes pretty crazy. And then this stuff for the hair. Slick Gorilla, you guys see that? Right? I have thick hair, so the Slick Gorilla helps keep it. So yeah, just powder that in the morning, hit it up like that. If you guys have thick hair, it's nice. It doesn't have like that crusty feeling. It's more of like a matte finish. I mean, you guys can see it. So big fan of that. You can probably get that on Amazon. Bath mat from Costco. Nice shower head. Picked this up from Walmart, baby. You know, I'm not too bad with color matching. I think that looks pretty good. You know? And then, boy, let me tell you, I got Irish Spring on deck. You guys see that? Look at how many. Oh my gosh, it's like a lifetime worth. One last time. Look at that. That's all you need. It's a studio, nice amenities. I gotta figure something out here. Maybe I could put like a plant in that corner. Maybe something going on over here. But what I really want to do is put a big old TV right on that wall. Maybe put some like LED lights behind it, some hue lights, and then look at that. Oh my gosh, that is the craziest movie night setup. Crazy movie night setup. Now it's time to show you guys where the real action is. We're gonna go down to the parking garage. I'm gonna show you guys the setup with the G80, and then I'm just gonna walk around real quick and just show you what we're working with, because guys, I'm telling you, there's some crazy cars here. And they might not all be here, but there's some crazy cars here, so we're gonna go see what's down there, all right? We're gonna have some fun. elevator right now on the way down to the Cars and Coffee garage. Island Man greens never looked so good in a garage before. Or parking garage, I must say. Alrighty, man. You probably already recognize it. Feast your eyes on the Island Man green. G80 in the parking garage lighting. Oh, man. Guys, look at that thing. It looks so good in this lighting. I never get to see it in this lighting. It's kind of like gas station lighting. Here's the spot. She's nice and chilling. I had this entire thing just filled to the top. Absolutely filled to the top with clothes. It was a German U-Haul. If you guys missed the video, it was a German U-Haul. Let's go have some fun, man. We'll go check out some cars in here. I'm not gonna make this video crazy long. There's a guy here, he's got an X5M. You can already see there's like an SF90 up there. I think that's what that is, SF90. This thing is crazy though. Look at this wide body Murcielago. Like what? And it's covered in dust. It's crazy. Look at this thing. Guys, if you don't know, this car, the Murcielago, is like my dream car. This car is so sick, bro. Need for Speed, Hot Pursuit 2. This was it. This is why I fell in love with this car. And seeing it in like a wide body form is just nuts. Yeah, hopefully the guy comes back and I can talk to him about it. He can start it up. Some fun stuff like that. We got an M2 here. That's an X4M right next to it. So this is kind of the bottom. We'll make our way back up, and there's like a whole another parking garage as well. Guy with a blue Aston Martin Vantage, a new one. And yeah, I don't know if that's a nice Mercedes. No, I mean, it looks nice. I don't know much about Mercedes. I know it just says bi-turbo V8. Actually, let me get a thumbnail real quick. Let's get a thumbnail. Fellas, we're gonna hop over to the other parking garage and we're gonna see what's cooking in there. But isn't this sick? A lot of people are gone right now. When it's full and all the cars are here, it is crazy. I mean, there's like a Rolls Royce Cullinan parked right there this morning. Yeah, we'll hop over to the other garage. We'll see what's cooking in there. Well, we do have a little M340i action. This is a 2025, guys. I'm telling you, man, they're clean. These rims in black look so nice. I don't even know what the BMW spec is for that or what they're called. Black on those is super nice. I'm telling you, man, I miss the M340i. That car was so fun. We got a 718 Spider right here. Looks like Voodoo Blue, maybe? Voodoo Blue. There is a, I think that's a six something LT? No, hold on. I know what this is. This is the Lotus Elmira, whatever it's called, or Amira, that's it. It is a 675 LT, that's it. I get confused with those specs, but that's super, I mean, it looks like Nardo Gray maybe, Shark Gray, something like that. So super sweet. The car culture down here is, it's nuts. I mean, guys, you go to Cars and Coffee, the average car is like it's like a Lamborghini. I mean, a Lamborghini, like a Huracan or something like that. Oh, might be just a 330i. It's not too shabby. It looks like either a 2020 or 21. Bro, I'm telling you, this is the G20 garage. Look at this. G20's everywhere. I can't escape them, guys. Maybe it's a sign. I don't know what AMG that is. Something AMG. I think it's like a GT63 or something like that. Guys, I don't really know my AMGs. I will be honest, I'm not. Yeah. We got an M8 Comp right there. Ineos Grenadier. Yo, shout out Ineos Grenadier. If you guys don't know about this car is so sick. It's got the B58 in it. Honestly, I would get one of these. I mean, look at that. That is just such an attractive car. It's so retro and in that like kind of chalky desert color, like sand color. That is so nice. I think this is an M5 it's either M5 no, it looks like an M550. Yeah, that's an M550i. Dude, another G20. I can't even make that up. I don't know, it might be a sign, guys. I mean, at this point, got a Bentley right there. Here's that Ferrari. I don't know what that is. I generally, was that like a 4 something GTS or I don't know. And then there's that R8, nice little convertible. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. We're just having fun down here and I thought I'd switch it up a little bit, do something a little different. We don't really do kind of behind the scenes stuff like this.
So I'm open to it though. That was fun. I also have some plans for this thing, so stay tuned, fellas. It's gonna get good, man. Now that we're in this area, I think we gotta step it up a notch. Oh, it knows too, you see that? It knows. Fellas, with that being said, hope you have a great morning, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And we will see you in the next one. Peace.